Hey guys, Platinoid here. Hope you guys are having a great day. If not, then let us make this happen. So you already know this is dry ice. It's a simply solidified CO2 gas. Let's take this to normal water. See this reaction and how cool this is. Okay, let's make it cooler. So we have boiling hot water here. Okay, then let's start with our experiment. But guys, before starting the experiment, make sure to subscribe us. It motivates us a lot. Guys, undoubtedly this is a cool experiment. Hope you loved it. See guys, due to very strong winds, our dry ice cloud is unable to stay in one place. So what are we waiting for? Let's do this inside. Just see this cloud in the whole place. This is really amazing, guys. Whoa, this is amazing. Guys, this deserves a like button. Okay, smash that like button now. Now guys, it's a request, please subscribe to us and like and share this video. It motivates us a lot. Thank you guys, have a great day. Meet you in the next video and stay safe and stay tuned.